Gear up for an enhanced experience with your PowerVision 3. Dynojet's latest firmware update adds several new exciting features. Starting off, users can now get channels from the ECU without having to flash a tune first. This can be beneficial for diagnostics as you can view and log data in real time. No DJT file required. This will also work on the new 2024 Harley-Davidson models. Included in this update too is the Quick Tune menu, giving you access to features such as active compression release, EITMS, knock control, VSS, and more. Effortlessly control key features of your tune with a simple tap of the screen, or activate target tune functionality for seamless closed-loop tuning based on real-time wideband data. Take your PowerVision 3 to the next level and experience the power of faster adjustments and a more responsive ride.